Hey Jackals, today I'll do a quick follow-up video on how to remove green screen using the two ways that I've shown, using actual examples. Now let's get digital. This is the example that I'll be using and I'll be doing it in the edit page, and as you can see I'm pretty much sitting still. So you can add a background, so you can use solid, you open it in the effects, so you can use a solid. In this case I'm using a background that's animated, so I'll just use that. Now for this effect to work, you need to duplicate it, and I'll just delete all of the audios. So we'll apply the mask at the top clip, so I'll simply disable this one at the moment. So now in the effects you'll want to type in key, and go to open effects, use the 3D key here, apply it to the clip, go to effects, make sure that effects is enabled, by default this is enabled. So effects, go to the effects, check this button, go over the green screen, just like that. We've removed the biggest part, then we can use the dispel and under the matte, clean black by a tiny bit, something like that. What we need to do then is go to video and apply a crop from the left, maybe something like that. Then to make the animation, we'll simply select the bottom clip and apply the crop again. I'll do the same as I've done in the previous video. So I'll apply it from the left and from the right. I'll keyframe this and go here and put this back how it was. Now it might happen that you get a thin line here. Maybe this doesn't line up exactly, so maybe you end up with something like this. What you can do in that case is adjust the crop. So this keyframe, you would simply go from the top and hide it just like that. And as you can see, you then need to put it back to where it was. So that's why you only go one frame back and put it back to 0. So it disappears just like that. That's how you can do it in the edit page. And in the color page, I'll simply duplicate this video, hide the bottom one at the moment, go into the color page, open the effects, type in key, apply it to the clip, right click and make alpha output, connect the blue square to the blue dot, then with the effects opened and this effect also enabled, just draw over the green screen similarly as before. Now I'll use a new mask, so I'll hit Alt S. This is a serial node. I have to reconnect the alpha output, and inside the power window I'll select the pen tool to mask out this shape, and I'll simply hit this button, and the masking is now pretty much done. I should also have used dispel in the effects option. So dispel and again clean the black by a tiny bit. Now because I've applied that mask over this part of the screen, the hand will get cut off, because in this case I'm actually drawing a circle around me or a square and it gets cut off. But when you apply the bottom video, that doesn't show. And now I can simply select the bottom video and make the animation. So maybe from this point on, we'll be applying the crop from the top. And that's pretty much it. We have this effect done, and we have the first effect done, all in a couple of minutes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more DaVinci Resolve and video editing content twice a week. I'm Simon, and until next time Jackals, keep it digital.